This is my lazy little tiger, not a wild jungle predator, just a professional floor roller. Look at him. Rolling left. Rolling right, like he just finished a very important meeting about absolutely nothing. He stretches one paw, then the other, and suddenly he's tired again. What a hard-working life. The way he flops onto the floor like melted butter. Zero worries, zero responsibilities, 100% comfort. Sometimes he looks at me like, why are you working? Just roll with me. He's not lazy, he's conserving energy. For what? We don't know, maybe for snack time. This is peak happiness, soft floor, calm air, and a belly ready for scratches. A tiny tiger, living his best lazy life.